So how was your camp out at the zoo, Jake?
Good.
What was your favorite thing? You have to talk a little bit more.
I liked going on the scavenger hunt.
Yeah.
And at night I liked like looking at the animals at night.
That was cool.
And then we looked on the trash cans and we saw a lot of bugs and some paw prints.
Cool. Hey Nat, what about you?
It was good.
It was good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It was awesome.
It was awesome. What else?
I liked the scavenger hunt, sleeping at the zoo at night when it was closed.
Jake said he felt like a burglar.
And looking at the animals while it was closed.
Cool.
We saw a lot of animal art.
Very cool, huh?
That was the best birthday gift thing I ever had.
Okay. Thanks, guys.
Can I see the video?